Greatness in the making. Greatness in the making. Get yourself a patient. It's in my DNA. All of who live by my name, so I fear it. Greatness in the making.
Make some noise for Laden!
Good night, Reggae Sumfest. I'm a spirit full of vibe. I'm a beer. Catching all of this and now it's okay, my time to shine. Them say my time. It's gonna be my time to shine. Are you ready? We're for that thing. It's gonna be I need a shine away. The rings and floors circle the city. We full of rivers. Listen me, we are some big song and play, no get no big breaking. No, when Friday come, no get no big paycheck. Still a reference to top of the apex. You hear the platinum chain, some face yo. Them run go this, I don't get my face stress. Why the hell want to see me and Jordan bass cream? Yo, and them a gone. Barrier love, on the ready. Give me your bitch, come on. And we like to do big control.
Radio, money over what we say. On the back of field, no boy can't carry with it. I mean, I say, yo, David Shepherd, big up yourself to the max. I tell you, Laden, you better check it out. Right now, I'm checking out.
This is loud right now. It's good there. It's the Laden.
Wild intense. Father, big up yourself, man. Yeah, man.
How do we see the stage general about? Powerful performance.
Real, man. I enjoyed myself. Reggae Sumfest. Thank you for having me. I had fun. Yeah.
What's the most intense thing of performance now?
Well, you know, it's been a while performing, so the approach of the stage, you know, I think that is very intense because the vibe when I enter the stage and open my mouth, sing the first line from Time to Shine, the crowd felt it, to be honest. They were like, where did the youth? We love you. Want to see you. Yeah, and that vibe let me get from it. Yeah.
So right now, Laden 2025, like, what is some of that year for you?
Just more work and, you know, dancehall competitive, so you just have to go hard and put in enough work, you see me? Stay current, to be honest with you, you see me? Yeah, I'm telling you.
Mention dancehall tonight, the king will be crowned. Vibe started.
Wow.
What are your thoughts on that?
Wow, yeah, I wish I could just, you know, help lift up the crowd. Put body bed, yeah, man, but you know, he is the king, true king. Vibes Cartel, well deserved. I'm telling you.
You know, after 13 years incarcerated, you've been in the bars at one point, same old feel. And you know,
I was there and I saw him. We were at GP, you know? Yeah, man. A real boss that I'm a DJ, man. And when I see me DJ, I was like, wow. Great, man. The man are too great for their saying. And when me even jump out, I cheer for him and say, must come a road. Even before me got, you see me, them place them, I say, world boss, we have everything on file, you see me? No joke, no cap. A Gaza we say.
what's the favorite Vibes Cartel song though?
I have so many favorites. When you go ask me that now, my father, you can give all a favorite where, you know, people can't believe say that's my favorite. A girl tune. Hold me like you never see me again. Never see me again. Hold me like you. Yeah, them songs, I listen to them songs, vibe them.
Like a remix of
Oh God, man, I tell you, man. We listen, we vibe to them, we play them songs there. If we ever do a chill, jump in our car, we drive go city or country, we Vibes Cartel, then we press play upon them songs. We don't have to wait till we hear it. Some song that we favorite.
So like talking about the song we are running right now.
Song we are running with right now. Alright, Proud Mom. I also have the video out for it, isn't it? So you can check it out. Also, Uno Does Stress and the World Boss to stop endorse that. You see me? Big up the World Boss anywhere I'm there. Big up the whole of Reggae Sumfest, promotional staff, the whole team. Big up Laden, and thanks again. Super excited we're there. We're glad for the opportunity.
And Laden finding out what's the most intense thing about Laden?
Well, the melodic voice that I have, you know? Yeah.
Reminder one.
Yeah.
My first song, Shine. Yeah,
What's
man.
going on? None. None. You know it's lit. Watch your intense. When it's gonna be my time to shine, intense say I'm my time. Aladdin, I'm a big up intense to the max. Big up, big up, big up.
Father. You know you got blessings,
Everything.
Father.
Every time, my father. Every time, father. Oh, it's lit. Zip wagwan. What up?
Just shell the stage a while ago after some 13 minutes. You can put on your headphones now.
Oh my god, I need to hear myself. Check,
You
check,
just
check,
shell,
check,
you
check.
just shell the stage a while
Eh,
ago, and I was telling everybody about the
Yeah,
fact
I'm not hearing
you're
myself.
not hearing yourself.
Turn me,
Are you hearing now?
Yes, I'm hearing
Sure,
now.
perfect. All right, so I was telling everybody a while ago about the fact that you're also one of the 13-year people. It's not just Vibes Cartel,
Whoa.
but it's been 13 years
That
since.
number there, yo, it's a work
Right,
comedy.
right. How did it feel a while ago just to reunite with your fans?
Wow, lovely. Amazing. To be honest with you. I enjoyed myself. I'm still here. I'm looking forward to seeing the world boss himself. Sparta boss. One side boss, massacre, strike force boss, governor, ratty gang boss, keg, dancehall hot this year. Whenever you do it,
I'm happy for you as well, just to be able to share the same platform with the names that you just mentioned a while ago. Musically, what have you been up to?
yo, it's crazy work, money, music, that's the only thing I do. I have a pro store, barbershop, music, acting, working, trying to get myself out here, on the main stage, like worldwide, use of music, I do have this new song, also with a video out now, titled Proud Mom. So I would love everyone who loves dancehall music, music on the whole to press play on that song for me, Proud Mom.
And I also see Vibes Cartel endorsing one of those stretches the other day.
For real,
How
yeah,
did,
man.
how did you feel about that?
The world boss, if the world boss touch this, it can, understand? So, the world boss give me a crazy energy. It's unbelievable, trust me. And I know him from a all the time, World boss mention me in his songs all the time. I also mention his name. Crazy respect, man. I'm a DJ, as I was saying.
No, we were discussing earlier about you being able to find your footing again in dancehall after all you've been through.
Okay. Well, it's I won't say it's easy, but I do have the energy and the talent and the love for music, so I'm going to keep work hard towards it, working on it, and most definitely it will definitely happen. No doubt, no doubt.
And we're next for that.
Remix, Saint Elizabeth, me, Massacre, Malidan, Javidan at Black River Festival on the 16th of August. You can look for me at that event. Also, Sablamar, 9th of August, West Side.
Work hard to you.
My area, our show, Laden'S live, skills good vibe, we active, Yeah, stay true to yourself, do what you do, show love, love conquer, love
All the best. It's not your mic. I don't know how to say anything. I should say something, but I don't. So, big intro. Coming to watch the big intro for you.
So you ready? Start. What's going on? It's late.
How are you doing? And it's so good to see you.
It is a good vibe to be here, hanging out with the star, the superstar at Reggae Sumfest. Good vibe.
This is your first performance at Sumfest in a long time. How does it feel to be on this stage?
Wow, it's a wonderful feeling to be on. It's a lot. Trust me. I was readily prepared for it. I went out there and I did my best. From a grace the stage with Time to Shine, I could do anything else. It was, I felt the vibe. Everyone was like, yes, Laden, we miss you. Uh,
What's the favorite song to perform? I do have a lot of hits, a lot of timeless hits at that.
Yes.
But what song, when you're performing, you just feel that weight lift from every nerve left your body?
Money over war.
Money over war.
Most
Why?
definitely. It has this energetic vibe about it. Instantly you can get that response from the audience whenever, from the intro, chorus, verse. It's that type of song, to be honest. Money over war. No boy can program me. Them no value more. Money over war, we say. Them still they can't shoot. I give you 3 different parts of the song and it's like energy, to be honest with you.
Exactly. Let's start Reach Music now, lad.
Yeah.
I know there has been some delays to the album. Tell me how it's looking.
Black Spider, please. May I humble say this. Black Spider. Bro, come on. It's been a while now. You're the one who is holding up my project. Come on, bro. I'm tired to hear the question. When the album a drop? Come on, Black Spider. Big up yourself. You're a musician, man. Why, Latin? Why you bench me? I'm a big baller. Why? Come on, Black Spider, man. We rate you, bro. Come on.
So you have your album ready, all of the songs and everything, you're just waiting on him?
I'm waiting on 3 main songs. As a matter of fact, I'm waiting on the title song for the album, which is Mixing.
So why do you think you want to take so long?
To be honest, let me explain why. I think, him have a lot of work, he work hard, you see me? To be honest with you, that's the one. And I think maybe I'm not in the top 10. So I don't know what else to say. Black Spider, come on.
No matter how long it takes, 10 years, 20 years, 15 years.
Most definitely, because I do longevity stuff. So yes, because Money Over War I expect a while ago, over a decade of song them make, and I'm still solid. Some album sound people. Black Spider, do the right. Yeah.
The right thing, Black Spider. But we're happy. I asked if you could get one. I was smoking when we come. We told you this is a game. So you can pick between any one of them, their truth or dare questions, and whatever you come up with, you have to do the truth or the dare. How that sound?
Wow, I don't really like playing games there, so I go and sweet here. Be very bad lucky.
No man, none of them man. We're not set you up.
Oh my God. And I'm here with home girl, so
like I promise you, home girl, now go fix you after you do it.
Mind more. Why me now, lad? Why me? Yeah. Post a TikTok.
Draft.
Yeah?
Yeah. So post something away then in a TikTok draft. No.
I should post it?
Yeah.
What if anything don't? Hold on a bit. Hold on. I will make alright, I will make draft for that day over one part.
Go for your profile.
Profile, I
yeah.
am on my profile.
And then supposed to not really know TikTok work for
Okay.
I wish
my brother, Jackson, my brother, a big influencer.
Come brother, come. Help me. I wanna know how this work.
When me draft for that day. Or care for that day.
TikTok draft?
Yeah.
You don't have any.
I don't have any.
Draft?
Okay.
Make a TikTok right now then. Ready, make a TikTok.
I should post something right now. I should post. Okay, let me. Can I post this?
Yeah.
On my story.
Show it to the camera and then get approval. Make him post that.
I'm posting it on my story.
Yeah. Press post. Oh God, the Wi-Fi really in your flap way.
Oh my God, come
anyway,
on.
We believe you. We believe you say post.
Oh my God.
So just go on Laden'S Instagram and you will see exactly what he posted. See that ready.
50. Oh, okay, so upload. 15% uploading. Ta-da!
Okay, so thank you for stopping with us tonight.
Anytime,
It's always a
blessings,
pleasure.
blessings, 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 blessings,
And we
blessings,
hope to
blessings.
see you in studio soon.
Most definitely, I live in studio. I'm like Labrat James, you know. I'm a Labrat, you know. Yeah, Labrat James. I'm always in studio. Bless up.
No man, in our studio, when you come down on our street, come
Oh,
talk to we give you a long talk.
for real, for
Yeah.
real, for real. Most
Both of them can
definitely.
look out for you. Thanks so much.
Bless up. Here, anytime. Bye.
When it's gonna be my time to shine. I think the time was tonight.
Most definitely tonight
my
at Reggae
gosh.
Sumfest. What's up?
Laden'S, it's such a joy to see you on the Reggae Sumfest stage after what 13 years
For
not
real.
seeing you.
For real. Lucky 13, I would say.
Yes, the lucky 13. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling like super well, super excited, you know. Reggae Sumfest. I'm here.
Yes, you're here. What a moment. And
What
Time
a
to Shine,
moment.
that was your breakout single in what would that be? 2019?
Um,
No, 20,
Nine.
2009.
2009.
Yes.
2009.
I mean, 2009 to now, 2025.
Over a
Talk to
decade.
us about that transformation.
Whoa. Um, to be honest with you, songs like Time to Shine have me doing stuff until now. So solid vibe. Whenever that's what happened when you do solid stuff. You know. I graced the stage with that song, and I could do anything else after. I instantly felt the whole vibe, the whole crowd were like, "Yes, we love you, we love you." Yes,
First time you on the 2006 digital
like rising star
stage.
for real.
What does a young lad in 2006, what would he have to say to that
You took me from far away, yes, and I'm proud of myself, you know. Um, rough challenge, you know, but we're up solid, you know.
Absolutely. And you are an artist that, pushed through your challenges.
Yeah.
You've been resilient.
For
You
real,
are showing us a transformation that we're really, really proud of.
for real.
And you spent what? Because a lot of months behind. Was what is coming from?
Well, most definitely, it was like hell for me, and I'm not encouraging anyone to do anything and to end up in prison. To be honest with you, so just stay far from trouble. I'm just being honest. It's not everyone can go there and come back looking like me or strong like Vibes Cartel. Yes. So I'm telling you, stay far from trouble. Stay away from it.
What's after this now? You have your breakout performance here in 2025. What happens next? How are you going to stay out of trouble?
Wow, just continue to stay in the studio. Visit studio more, loud company, leave out idling, don't host certain reasoning, don't attend certain events, and you will definitely start the trouble. Trust me. Tell me.
I know you're working on a project.
Most definitely, I my debut album coming out. Few songs, few main tracks on the album, because of slow production like mixing, arrangement with the songs, delay and all of that, keeping us from releasing the project. So as soon as Black Spider, please do the right. I'm calling you out. Black Spider, please, bro. You're the one who's holding up my project, and I'm tired of hearing questions like people ask, when is the album coming out? I'm super tired.
Well, as I'm saying, everything in the right timing. And what I'm saying to you, if you want good, it's for running.
Whoa.
So,
I know it's been running.
It's been running.
Been running, Black Spider, come on.
Time, the right time. And I hope you stay in touch with me.
Most
So we can
definitely.
know when the releases are happening and we can just record everything.
Most definitely, you can stay up to date with me by following my Instagram page. Very simple. It's Laden, ITSLADEN. I do handle my page. You mentioned me. I'll repost. I check my DM. And if you, I me just start get active on TikTok. It's Laden Music, so you can check me out there also, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, it's Laden YouTube, you know, and it merged with my Vivo channel, Laden Vivo. So I do have stuff where you can look up and vibe to. Yes, I truly, I honestly, I'm glad I was one of the acts on Reggae Sumfest tonight. I love you, I love everyone. I do have love for humanity, I do have love for the culture, I love dancehall, I love reggae, and I will definitely continue doing good vibe, good stuff. I just love beat anything. Thank you very much, Sira. Blessings. Thank you very much. Anytime. Yeah, my man. Big up. You too. See you, man. Of course, man. Who is taking the pic? Bro, come on. Where's Julian? Where we? Okay, you're good. Gotcha. Please. Make sure it's nice. No guns, no gun sign. No gun sign. No gun sign. No. I enjoyed myself, you know. I went out there and from the start seeing Time to Shine, it's like I could do anything else after, to be honest with you.
It's about, you know, the maturity of you as an artist, your music, you know, what you would have been back then, your performance now, being a seasoned artist.
Well, the growth definitely, you know, I get so much more experience. Yeah, you know, I do prepared well for the event. I had like 4 different rehearsals, so many interviews with radio station, TV station. I even went and looked at some old performance from artists Ninja Man, Merciless, some old Sumfest and old Sting. We can say that yes, I did. So just experience and the love for music. I do have it slash with the talent. So yeah.
What does it mean though to perform on Reggae Sumfest? Because yeah, you have performed many of our places locally and abroad, but coming back home to Reggae Sumfest, what does that mean for an artist like Laden?
A whole lot, to be honest with you. A whole lot. I expected it though, because last year I did the street dance. Yes, and it's like it was like a promise to me. Said next year you're definitely gonna hit the main stage, and they kept their promise. I'm here. I went out there. You saw it for yourself. You know, frenzy.
What's coming up next?
Most definitely my album. Production, some mixing problems, keeps holding up my album for quite a while now, but most definitely my album is coming out. Against All Odds. Whenever you see that title, anywhere, just know it's a go. It's Latin album coming at you.
I know, of course, that God alone lead as a drop.
Right now, so I should just lift up something and drop it. Okay, what's going on? You know it's little. I'm in big up Sun City. I tell you. Right now, check it out. You can check it out.
Keep it locked right here. Live.
It's Robbie Ralph for OVTVJA, and we're vibing here right here at Sumfest 2K25. You know him as Laden, but O'Keefe Errands is the name. In recent times, we've heard a list of one-hit wonders, and Dwayne Morris, music analyst, said that you are a one-hit wonder.
One hit, working hard, hit. Money over war, hit. Really like you, hit. Time to Shine, hit. I'm Sorry, hit. We
Hold
Remember, hit.
on. So when we talk about Laden, we're talking about from the days of Stunt Squad, and now we're talking about new system. What's the new system movement like?
Just new youth around, because oftentimes you have old friend that you fall out with, and you just select some new set of youth where mean you good, love your vibe, and just depend on the same page that you are on. You understand?
So you're a Gemini, and in a Gemini, we know you're very conscious and you're always looking out. You understand?
Yeah.
Let's talk about people like Oxygen. Oxygen still a part of the connect.
Most definitely, Oxygen is like, my brother, from a different mother. Oxygen is the one who give me the name Laden. I him say, yo, I Laden for name. As a matter of fact, Jim Laden, and then I remove the Jim. No, it's simply Laden, you understand? So Oxygen is a fam, yeah.
Let's talk about the sad part of life, collaboration. We've seen the passing of two collaborators while you're incarcerated. We're talking about the Capella Dan and the Elegance, whatever happened before. But let's talk about that. How did it affect you knowing that these collaborators passed on?
Well, whenever you know a person that loses life, it a sad vibe. Always sad vibe when anybody loses them life. So rest in peace, Elegance and Capella Dan. Big up.
Definitely. So, Santa King is the name right here. And just before you go, want you to send a shout out from OVTVJA.
OVTJ,
OVTV, watch it.
OVT,
JA.
OVTVJA, okay?
My thing name Gosa, so after you can deal with something for Gosa, but it's OVTVJA.
OVTVJA. Ready? It around, right? Watch your Lord, now me say yo. OVTVJA. Lord now represent to the max. Yeah, I'm sorry as can be for those who can't be the best that they wanna be. Yeah. You better check it out. Right now I'm checking out OVTVJA. Laddie.
Gosa Network.
Special K and Vibe Steve, you are here. It's wonderful night. Standing beside him, and it's right here. Standing. I just want to say congratulations. It's such a... How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling wonderful. It's a good vibe. You're at Reggae Sumfest. Come on, what's up? What up, world? We're at Reggae Sumfest. Where are you?
Where are you? You know, I heard you speak about your brother, and he for you earlier in that interview.
For you?
And I'm talking to you and just looking at him, and his face is just lighting up over there.
You feel like him had
feel like him had something. And it's just that support. I just want to say I love that.
It was such a joy to have him here. My sister is here also, and my home girl. My team is here, but they won't let everyone inside. But we're here and we're having fun. I'm here.
Is it the first time the on stage here already?
No, it's my second time, Yeah, I was here in 2011, so it's over a decade for Latin. I'm here and I'm feeling well.
And how are you feeling about your big breakthrough? Standing on the stage, looking at all of these people, how does that feel?
Wow, unexplainable, but trust me, it feels good. And I don't just want to say feels good. I can elaborate, but trust me, it's a good vibe, and I'm gonna leave it right here.
Well, I feel good for you. Everybody was happy seeing you perform. Real quick, where can we find you? Shout out to everybody. What's your social?
Very simple. For Instagram, it's Laden, ITSLADEN. I do handle my page. You mention me, I'll repost. You chat me a DM, I'll check it out. TikTok, me recently start TikTok, I'll do it, you see me?
Yeah.
It's Laden Music. Right. Simple. It's Laden YouTube. Check me out, subscribe.
All right, just a shout out. It's okay.
When you ready, which camera? You ready? Greatness in me again. Yo, Special K, you patient. Yeah. It's now with the end. All who live our name soon have for parent. Greatness in me again. I say Island Vibes TV, Laden representing for Special K. You better check it out. Right now I'm checking out.
Your show break Sumfest 2025. We're here with
Well, I'm doing well. How are you? Are you okay? I said it's been a while for me. Youth things like Sumfest. I do have songs that people love me for. You know, I went out there. I did my best. I could feel energy. You know, people accept my vibe. You know, the cool songs like "Time to Shine," "Working Hard," "Money for my real." You know, I feel like poor. As I said, I enjoy myself.
I like you have a great portfolio. You seem so pathetic. You seem like a really. This is not going to get you.
I've never committed a like where I make triple blood feel from the human being. That's how cool I am. I swear.
I love that sincerity about you. So, what do you have planned for 2026? Because I know you're doing the thing right now.
Yes. Well, just more music and most definitely look out for my album. Against All Odds is coming, to be honest. Yeah, so look out for some solid track. Yes, trust me. Personal stuff. Social commentary, you know, songs for the ladies, you know, trust me. Against All Odds, the title name for my album, my debut album. Look out for that, most definitely. In terms of new music, I recently released a song with the video titled Proud Mom. Go on, I need you all to go and check out that song for me. Press play on it. Yeah, please.
Let's talk about that song because I can see that there's some sentiment in the mother. You said the mother song. So let's talk a little bit about it and what inspired you to write that one.
Well, he, my brother, and my mom. We no born a garrison and we make it out, you see me? We could have fall out, could have drop out, and we could have still left prison. Somewhere negative, I do negative vibe, I want negative energy, but you know, so my mom, that's the reason why I record that song.
See, there's so much I can Brother, come up a little bit.
Come here, Johnny.
You.
Jordan. I call you Jordan.
Oh, okay.
Fine, I'm fine. How are you?
Are you proud? How proud are you of him?
I'm very proud. I'm very elated to be here. I'm a proud so yeah, it's about because so it was
It's a good thing. It's the best thing to be there for your family to help you. Get even bigger. Make sure you pull them out and keep them.
Won't check. Love won't check. It's real.
fatherless only mother we have, so we are very close.
God is your father. I'm just
Amen.
wrapping up now. It's such a pleasure to have you guys.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Can you shout to the attention on that? It's my voice.
What's your Latin? You know what I would say? On the back of the boy can't carry with it. What's going on? Which one? And this one?
Yes.
Ready? What's your Latin? Okay, now. It's a hard day. It's hard to show. You better check it out. I'm checking it out.
I don't really feel about being here. What does it mean to be back on this platform after 13
Honestly, it's a lot. I'm super excited. You know, I prayed for it. You know, I execute my mission. I'm feeling good. I just want to big up the whole entire team. Reggae Sumfest, Dancehall, the whole team. Big up Zipper. So I'm here. What's up?
Listen, what's it?
Wow. It's just a request, you know. Yeah, whenever you request Laden, I'm ready. Sumfest did request Laden, and I said I never at the stage with Time to Shine, and I could do anything else after. Trust me.
The thing is, those songs that you did, especially under the big ship label,
Yes,
they remain
solid.
solid hits.
For me, to be honest with you. I love the vibe. I did enjoy myself. I would love to do it again next year.
But for him to fight back for taking the Christmas space since, you know, every trial and tribulation that you go through.
I do have the love for it, you know, also for humanity, you know. So I
See, I'm on surface now. So just go around, produce something, remove nothing. Just what you would have boards for black. I'm here working on an this series is up.
Black Style.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I
The Black Spider. Please, you are the one who's holding up my album. Black Spider. This is getting serious. 9 months now. 9 months you mixing 3 songs. You already, come on. Black Spider. Come on.
this you based the type of songs.
Come on, Black Spider. Come on.
Still,
So that you do my photo shoot. We already title songs and every other song is mixed and properly ready. 3 songs holding up my album. 9 months now. Things go. This production, this album, a matter of fact, is an exclusive album by me and Leonard. Leonard is a young producer. He produced some nice hit songs, including Massacre. Looking at my life and you will find hope. Yeah. Leonard, Bentley, big up anywhere you're at. Yeah. So me and Leonard producing my album. Yeah. Be a solid song. Trust me, everything I come from my heart. Nights, one top of nights in the studio, changing hook, changing verse, changing melodies. Whole heap of time spent on this album. I do believe in it. It's my debut album. Black Spider, please, bro.
all right. Thank you so much for joining us.
Anytime, Zip. Anytime.
You know, we love and respect and rate you.
Hey, one Zip. Know that.
So much.
Anytime.
There. The best there.
Anytime, yeah, boss. Yeah.
Professionally, as an artist.
It means a lot. To be honest with you, it's been a while. There's some press ago. You know. But this time, yes, I went up there. I did one this.
You trying to seek for your performance. Which song you want? Audience. Get the song.
What was songs like that when I entered this thing? That's hard. I could do anything else, you know. It was like, whoa, where was this guy? We love you. Come on.
Yeah.
We need to see you. It was like that. Trust me.
So that would have lifted confidence and
Yes.
made
Most
you realize
definitely.
that you're still low.
Most definitely.
On a stage, on a show like this, like, people must understand that an artist, you're human. And so your preparation is key. Based on your preparation, do you think that you delivered the way you wanted to? If you should reflect on the show.
Honestly, to be honest,
Yeah.
I kind of strained my voice Tuesday night. Yes, I was having this, you know, conversation and it escalated where I had to raise my voice. You know,
Yeah.
you mentioned it. We're humans. So I had a little strain on my voice.
Oh.
So I try my best to work it back and get it up to standard for this event. I can clearly say after I did well. I handled myself because, you know, I know how to, you know, not do too much when I'm hit.
Right. And the other thing I want to ask you is, how do you prepare both mentally, physically, for a reggae song performance? Apart from this one, it takes some mental preparation, I would imagine, and even physical.
Yeah, for real, but Reggae Sumfest is the only festival I had to rehearse 4 times. You know, with the bands and all of that. Having my time
You know, so I know this has to sell and where to cut, you know. Just me, it's a lot to prepare for event like this because you can't afford. That's too expensive.
I get so now that you're one, I expect a much busier man going forward. Because
I really say, I can open more doors, you know. Trust me, I'm doing it. I do have the love for music. I have love for you. So you request Laden, I'll show up.
most what are your expectations for the rest of the night? I'm saying, which includes vibes now. That's hard. I'm massive. I'm scared. So I guess that's something as an artist.
Something just purify. Mention the names. You know, you can check. Yes, well, definitely I'm working to see.
Finally, collaborations, new music coming out. What can we expect?
I recently released a song titled Proud Mom with a video. You can go and check it out. I have the single, Don't Stress. The last time we spoke,
Yes, I'm ready. Yeah.
yes, you can, which is Proud Mom. Also, Uno Don't Stress. Trust me, good vibe.
All right, social media handles, tell them.
Yes. For Instagram, it's Laden, ITSLADEN. Very simple. For Instagram, I do handle my page. For TikTok, it's Laden Music. And I, you know, mention me, I'll repost, I check my DM. That's my song.
It is indeed what's up. My artist that is on the rise. Also, look, you lad, great singing again. Yes, my perfect. No,
I saw the last interview. Yeah,
all right, we're posting one as well. It'll be radio. Stick around, we'll be back.
For real, for real. This is my second time in the song. Okay. We are with players, I know. Yeah, you know what you. Oh, no, bye. Oh, it's okay. It's solid news, you know. Like, really tries to smart is like so good, nasty, see, nice. I know my son, you know, do them in that. So, and energy as well. So the ask so that talk what's on stage, what stage you said, what's the fuck? So, hey, like my first was it was running something like that. Yeah, yeah. I like what is for song, you know, those I'll views in and I thought when I said Bones events, yeah, I would say it's Bones King and Merciless. But then it's just observe on the command point to just let others, yeah. I think well, I do better myself, but get older, you know, so I by doing it, so that's all. I think my step.
I mean, if it's their point, I mean, I'm sure you know that you went through several different editions. You, you found passion. Tell us about.
To be honest, it comes back down to experience, you know, and the love for music. I do have that love, and I do try my best to nurture my talent and just give my best at all times, you know. And it all comes down to instrumental also. When you look at that, it's really which I guess, you know, when it feel nice with, then ears always go up, you know. Yeah. Well, yeah, sorry. Boom rhythm. But let me ask you this now, Lavin, in terms of your new material, what can your fans look out for from you? Can we look out for an EP? Can we look out for an album?
Most definitely.
And a release
album.
date, when can we look out for that to happen?
I don't say the amount of time I mentioned release date and you know, unprofessional mix
Yeah.
and all of that. I have music and mix over, but I do have a set album. I swear on against all odds. Ready for the everything. All right, Black Spider.
Everything.
Black Spider, I'm calling you. Black Spider, please, bro. You holding up my. Please, bro.
You can call it to right to the
Black Spider, please, bro.
That's a case. Public time. And we want to wish you all the best. You did an awesome job on stage. I saw it. Well, you didn't run your bus too. Double black out by the finger. Musical.
Yeah.
Musical black.
I read for my team. Salute. Come on.
Musical black. Everybody compete on it. We got to say that.
Yeah.
We can.
Sure, I would definitely.
I was thinking all that I need right now.
Great. Oh. Well, that's where I did my best, you know. It's Reggae Sumfest. I was excited to hit the stage. You know, the proud of every song I has. The crowd of it. Sorry. Challenge. Sorry. Because music very competitive, like I said, but you just have to keep knocking words, like one big muscle.
Don't call it and say Rsker. You have to come on the stage.
Yeah.
Describe in that very moment how you felt.
To be honest with you, I was because I did this last year, and you know, it was like a promise for the main stage this year. So, you know, some fest get their promise, and I'm here. That is it.
What's next? Yeah, man, it doesn't stop here, and we're gonna put that. We're gonna speak it into.
It's more music and positive vibe, good vibe, you know. I hope this event, you know, open some more doors for me, you know, where you can see me again very soon on some huge stage.
Of course, management team and all them things. Elaborate on us for that in terms of how it has been going so far with that.
To be honest with you, I'm the one who is handling my whole career.
What you say?
I'm telling you, I'm being honest. It's strange. Enough artists don't have no manager. You see me, so don't make it so strange. But very challenging, as I said, on my own, and I'm not traveling, you know. So people really look at who they're giving real strength, you know. So if you're not making moves, if you're not at some festivals, unruly festivals, the ones, instance and big events, so maybe you find yourself.
You want to continue managing yourself, or carry you would.
Most definitely, I would love to have a manager who being me. Career with yeah.
I love it. And finally,
Whoa.
it's a look from it.
You know, RCS. Somebody had to be RCS. Yes, yes, you know. Very bad after my Air Force. You see me, I'm just
Yeah.
On a big field, keep my
Thank you, friend.
basics.
Listen to me. Send me a patient. Ah, yeah. It's why we be in there. All who live by with him. So, you know, wow. The performance a while ago, I entered the stage with my youth song. But I just a big time to shine, and I could do anything else after. To be honest, it was I felt it. You know, I see the expressions on people's face, and as I said, I could do anything else from I enter the stage with time to shine.
No, energy the song. It's called what it felt like to be.
Look at that observe because it's been a while they must love them, so they were like, oh, like you do, but real, and they were listening because everybody's not true. That's what I get. I'm enjoying it. Because I can tell you, they were.
A few years ago, streets this year, up down for 2 years. You know, back on the streets again, war continues again, you know what I mean? Sometimes, you know, then we have the street resets.
To be honest with you, challenging, you know, rough challenge, but we up solid. And, you know, dancehall is a very competitive industry. So, you know, you have to put up a fight. And, you know, we're born fighter like Josh himself. We just go hard, because I do have the talent. I do believe in myself. I do have fans worldwide. I've been all over. So all I have to do is just continue to do it, which is music. Yeah.
One of the things I always hear you say, you know, you know, get the praise where you deserve, you know, but nonetheless you still push. But, you know, why you feel like you know, get that respect and that push and that support, you know, you feel like
Why I feel that way. I guess I think it's because I'm not that type of drama youth. You know, people like drama. You know, dancehall a drama industry. You know, them love it, and you know you would be the most talk about if you dwell in dramatic vibe. If you name in a mix up and all of that. But Laden'S just I just do straight music. More on the positive side. Every now and then I will do something that is, I would say, raw. But it is what it is. I do dancehall.
what the people expect from that. But
More dancehall music. I hope Reggae Sumfest open more doors for me so you can see me on other festivals and interview again. And we have good time. We will good vibe.